I'm doing exercise 4e, question 2. Fx is x square minus 4. Let's sketch this curve first. A asks for it. At x-axis, y equals 0, so x square minus 4 equals 0. Therefore, x square equals 4. Therefore, x can be positive or minus 2. Therefore, the coordinates are 2, 0, minus 2, 0. Let's find out what is y when x is 0. That I'll do from calculator. So if I put 0, y will be minus 4, so I got another coordinate which is 0, minus 4. Now we can plot the graph. So here we have one coordinate 2, 0, minus 2, 0, and minus 4, 0 we can see as the coefficient of x square is positive, so it's a minimum curve obviously. So let's draw it. It will look something like this. Okay. Now part B asks for y equal f 4x. So we can see this is following this thing where the stretch will be horizontally in x direction as it's with x inside the bracket. So the scale factor as per the formula or this format will be 1 by 4, and we will multiply this with the coordinates that we found out, x coordinates only, because y will not change because it's stretching only horizontally, not vertically. So if I multiply 1 by 4 with all the x coordinates, 1 by 4, therefore I can get, I've multiplied all these coordinates. We can see that 0, minus 4 is still in the same, is still same, because if I multiply 1 by 4 with 0, it will still be 0, minus 4, and y coordinates are not changing. So we will plot a graph. So now it will be here somewhere, and it will still pass through 0, 0, 0, minus 4. So this will be y equal f4x, and this is y equal fx, right? Make the curve smoother. My one is not smooth enough. Part C asks for, so let me do it here. Part C asks for f x equal 1 by 3y. So if I take this y here, therefore y equal 3fx. Therefore we can, if we compare with the format, we can see 3 is not with x inside the bracket, so it will be stretched vertically. So there will be no change in x coordinates this time, but there will be change in y coordinates, and the scale factor will be 3. We will multiply all the y coordinates with 3, and let's do that. So if I multiply all these coordinates with 3, only the y coordinates, then it will be 0, because 0 multiplied by 3 is still 0, minus 2, 0 again, still 0, 0, minus 12, because if I multiply minus 4 with 3, it will give us minus 12. So for this y equal f 3fx, we have coordinate minus 0, minus 12, and the first two coordinates are still same, so we can draw it like this. I hope it's visible. Okay, make it smoother, more proper. This is y equal 3fx. I have done the two curves after fx, y equal this one and this one together in one diagram, but now I will, as there is no space, I will do it, I will rub it and do it the other two, which is y equal f minus x. I will do them by erasing this. Part C tells us to do f minus x, so scale factor will be minus 1 by 1, which is minus 1 eventually, and as it is with x inside bracket, it will move horizontally, so x coordinates will change but y coordinates will remain same. But here there is another concept, not concept, or fact actually, that if we go from fx to f minus x like this, then this is a reflection of fx in y-axis. Okay, y-axis, you need to remember this. Reflection of fx in y-axis if f goes from here, right? And now we will see how, by visual representation, by sketching. So let's, we know the fx coordinates. I'm going to circle them. So if I multiply -1 with the x coordinates, they will become -2, 0, 2, 0, and 0, -4. This will remain the same. So if I will plot it with a neon or green color so that you can understand. If you notice, all the coordinates eventually are same, so it's the same thing as the first fx. Okay, make it smoother again. It's the same as the black one, the fx one, as the original one. Lastly, D asks for f minus fx, I think, minus fx, so it will move by scale factor -1, with scale factor -1, but this is vertically. Therefore, I'll multiply -1 with the y coordinates of fx, which will give us 2, 0, because 0 multiplied with -1 is still 0, 2, 0, -2, 0, and lastly 0, 4, because if we multiply -4 with -1, it will give us 0, 4. For this curve, I'll use dotted lines so that you can understand. So I found all the coordinates are same, only from -4, 0, -4, it will move to 0, 4. So it will go like this. It has become a maximum curve. Okay, make it smoother and more proper. So this is y equal minus fx, and the light green one is y equal f minus x. This is very near altogether. I should have drawn a bigger diagram. I'm sorry for that, my bad, but this is it. Have you guys understood all the concepts? Another thing is that if you see the D part, this is the reflection of the fx, in x-axis, right? Because x-axis for 0, it reflects, right? Here it is like this, and it reflected in x-axis, so it became like this. This, I'm talking about this one, this reflected from this. So yeah, that's it for today.